Hello, Johannines! Alam niyo ba na ang St. John's Academy Incorporated ay hindi lang basta Catholic school? Kundi nagbibigay ito ng quality education mula sa junior high school at sa senior high school na may iba't ibang clusters tulad na Arts, Social Sciences and Humanities, Business and Enterprise, Engineering and Architecture, at ang Allied Health. Kaya naman, samahan niyo akong alamin kung bakit maraming estudyante ang pipiling maging bahagi ng St. John's Academy Incorporated.
Bakit sa St. John ka nag-aral? Kasi po narinig ko po marami pong good reviews po dito at magaling po magturo ang mga teachers po.
Gusto kong mag-aral dito for education and friends, tsaka matuto din, ganon.
To learn more experience and to make new friends, to express more of my social life.
Kasi parang ang ganda ng education nila dito and safe, well-disciplined lahat ng estudyante, may rules, maganda yung rules, and ayun, kaya gusto ko sa SJ mag-aral.
Bakit ka lumipat ng St. John?
Lumipat po ako ng St. John po kasi I saw the education program here po, yung strengthened learning na in-offer po ng school na po nito. And I was interested to try po. Originally, I came here as well po, then transferred out to try out different schools po for their education. And I decided na this is the best school for me.
Para po new environment rin po. Tapos po, para mas marami po ang new friends po. Para maiba naman po.
Madami po kasing nagsasabi na maganda daw po yung education dito and mas suit po yung yung sarili ko na nakikita ko po yung sarili ko na madami po ang matututunan dito sa St. John.
Bakit patuloy ka sa St. John nag-aaral?
I study in St. John's Academy Incorporated because the students here are disciplined and me myself became disciplined once I stepped foot in this school.
Patuloy po ako dito nag-aaral dahil dito po nagtapos yung family members ko and I also think na mas maganda po yung education dito po sa St. John.
Patuloy po nag-aaral sa St. John kasi naniniwala po ako yung St. John Academy Incorporated po. Nag-provide po siya ng magandang preparation for college and yung education po na binibigay niya is quality as in best of the best po. Ayun lang po. Salamat.
For me, nananatili pa rin ako sa St. John's Academy kasi they're very academically focused and nahuhon nila yung skills ko so that I can prepare better for my future career.
At ayan na lang muna sa araw na ito. See you, Johanna!